Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Tara if you're new, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love to have you back for more videos. So today's video, I will be unboxing a package I received from Yesstyle. So if you want to see what I got from Yesstyle, just keep on watching. This is the box I received from Yesstyle, and let's open it. I have a scissor here. I think this is their August shake box, I guess. It's hard to open. Okay. I'm having hard time. Okay. So I've opened the box now, and let's see what's inside. So this is gifted to me by Yesstyle, and my opinion and thoughts about these products are all mine, and I will be very honest with you guys and also be very transparent with you of how I think about these products, about the quality or the style. So let's open the first one. I got, oh, this is cute. So I got this is like it's like a mini bucket bag. So it looks like that. Wait, so this is the first bag I got from Yesstyle, and look at the color. It is a nude or like a cream color with, this is in a brown snake material or snake effect material there as the handle, and it also has a strap. It also has a brown snake effect material. This is cute. So I'll be trying this on later, and I'll just put a picture maybe here of how it looks like on me. So, oh wait. So this is how you open the bag. It has like its own compartment there. I think it holds a lot. It's deep enough to hold your phone and your daily essentials. I think this is so cute. I like it. And the quality of this one is, it's nice. The leather is soft, and it doesn't have that, strong leather scent. It has a drawstring, so ouch. So the inside of the bag looks like that. So you put your stuff inside here, and then to close it, you just have to pull the drawstring like so, and it looks like that. Cute. It has a silver hardware there. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's really cute. It's in the box. So next we have is this one. It's like, oh, it's a tote bag with this. It's like, I think it's a waves design. It's just a black medium size tote bag. Oh, there's something inside too. It's this one. It looks like a small bag. Oh, I think it's a belt bag. It's cute. I can fit my camera in here. Perfect. And maybe my phone and my card holder and my car keys. Yeah, it's cute. Okay. And I think I should wear it like I'm not really a fan of a belt bag or a body bag, but let's try this on. So it looks like that on. It is a body bag or a belt bag, and I think it is nice to, or it will look good if you are wearing your tracksuit in a black, and the black and white contrast against your black will make it look pretty. So yeah, but I am not a fan of a body bag or belt bag, so I don't know if I will use this, but It's cute. The quality of this one is so it's not fancy, it's not also super cheap, but although the threading or the stitches is start to come off, but yeah, looks like that. Now this one, I don't know if I want to use this, but maybe if I go buy groceries, I'll put my grocery here. But yeah, it's just a black medium-sized tote bag. So that's my third bag from them. I have here, what's this one? Oh, it's another brown bag in a neck effect. So this is the next one. It's a shoulder bag. This one, I know that this one is on trend right now. It is in a brown with snake effect material, and it looks like that. On bag itself is okay. It feels soft, but the strap that goes on your shoulder, it's a bit thin and it doesn't look like it will hold heavy stuff. So yeah, it's very thin, although it's soft, but I think this can't hold heavy stuff inside your bag, or else this will start to break or something. So it doesn't have compartment at all inside it. It's just a, looks like that, and it has a button on here to close your bag. Oops, oh, it got ruined. It has a deformed on this side. I think it's from shipping here. It got deformed in the box. The last one here. But oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. It's a heart shape. It's a clutch bag. It has like a ring here with a rhinestones on top. That is to when you hold your phone in your bag or your clutch like that. Let's see how you open this one. How do you open this? I have no idea. Oh, to open it you have to pull the ring area like that. You pull it and then you open. Oh, it has a red lining interior. It has a top handle, and I think this is the strap. Yeah. So let's take this out. Okay, so we'll try to put this on. This goes here, I guess. Oops, I'm not sure. Goes there then. This one. It's a three-way bag. It's a clutch bag. It's just like that. It also has a top handle and a tiny gold chain strap, so you can wear it also as a crossbody. And the material is, it has like a mesh material on top. It has embroidery all over it. Yeah, it's really cute. I like it. Maybe I'll just wear it without this strap, because the strap makes it look so tacky. So, or hideous. So I'm gonna wear it, or I'm gonna wear it like this. So yeah. Of the bags I received from Yesstyle, this one is what I think I will be using in the future a lot, because it is a mini bucket bag, and I love that the color is neutral and I can wear it with a lot of my outfits. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Ciao!